Frigidaire 36-inch FFHD2250TS French door refrigerator. Most users these days seek bottom freezers with French doors. If you happen to be one of those people, grab this model by Frigidaire. Its 36-inch depth is quite spacious, allowing you to store a massive quantity of perishable items. Compared to other similar refrigerators, this one perhaps has the best. It is simple, yet practical. Plus, the door bins in this product add another layer of convenience. Similar to most of the refrigerators in the market, this one also has a stainless steel build. It is perfect for high-traffic kitchens, where you have to open and close the refrigerator doors quite frequently. What's even more impressive about this product is that despite its aesthetic design and excellent build, it does not accumulate fingerprints or dirt. All you have to do is gently wipe it with a clean cloth, and it will look as good as new. Pros: silent operation. The drawers are easy to access. Automatic defrosting. Spill-safe shelves prevent spills or leakage. Cons: the ice maker could be quicker.